Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Julian, and today we'll be talking about a time to keep and throw away. I don't know about you, but when it's time for spring cleaning, something just fills my heart about organizing and getting rid of things. We just moved into our new home a few months back, and right now it feels like I'm getting rid of things every single day. It's such a crazy process trying to decide on what to keep and what to throw away. Sometimes it feels like I should be keeping something because maybe, just maybe, I will find use for it. But the truth is, if I haven't used it in a year, I'm probably not going to use it ever again. But if I keep it, it'll take up space in my garage. Go with me to the second part of Ecclesiastes 3:6. A time to keep and a time to throw away. There's a movie that came out a few years back where you go inside of the brains of people and you get to see how the personalities and memories work together. You probably know what movie I'm talking about. I remember thinking to myself, well, this actually makes a lot of sense. Like why I randomly start singing songs from a commercial I saw when I was a kid. And why I can't remember the simplest things in life that I should totally know. I say that because we are naturally created to keep the good and get rid of the bad. You see, this is even with our bodies. Our bodies will pull the nutrients out of food that we need and get rid of the unnecessary things. Scripture says in Colossians 3 simply that we should rid ourselves of our sinful nature and put on our new self. In the same way, we must take inventory in our hearts every day and ask the Lord, is this good to have in my life? Or does it hold me back for what God has for me? So the million-dollar question today is, what are the things in my life that I should keep? How do they propel me forward to what God has for me? And what are the things I should throw away? What will I be free from once I do so? Do this every day and build a better and healthier life.